Hello, how are you doing today? In this video, I want to show you how to increase conversion rate using WP Fomo. Now, FOMO is an acronym for fear of missing out. F for fear, O for of, then M for missing, then the last O for out. If you look at this website now, you are seeing a pop-up that is at the left bottom of the website, and it is showing that some people are taking action, like some people sign up, some people purchase this product, and so on and so forth. You can see Jeremiah from Lagos purchased this Facebook and Instagram as masterclass. Now with this, it shows that people are really buying this product, or people are taking action, and it is a strong signal that can make somebody to take action. It is very good. It can increase the rate of conversion dramatically, because a lot of people like what other people like. Generally, people like what many other people like. Take for instance, when you are going to buy something on Jumia or Konga, first of all, you look at the number of people that have bought the product, the number of review that the product have. So also with this indication, it shows that there are a lot of people that are buying this product, and it's a strong signal that can push somebody to take an action. So how are you going to implement this on your own website? And I'm going to show you how to implement it for free. There are some other methods that are paid, that for you to even get this kind of thing, you have to buy the software for like $100, $30. There are some that even cost up to $197. So but this one I'm going to show you, you only need it for free. You are not paying a dime. It's just a WordPress plugin. So how are you going to do it? You will go to your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins, then hit add new, and you are going to search for WP Fomo. Fomo is spelled as Fomo, and here it is. So I'm going to install it, and it is installed. I'm going to activate it. Okay, so I am going to go down, and you see WP Fomo here. Just click on it, and you can see it is only one Fomo that is here for now. You can add as many as possible, like you can add as up to 11. So here we have a template that is going to go for general. That means if I add something here now, if I add just purchased, then I'm going to check this show image. Then I'm going to type the name of the person here. Let's say I type Oyedele from Lagos State. Oyedele from Lagos State. I'm going to write the product here. This product. And the reason I use product is so that it is going to indicate on all your pages, irrespective of whatever you are selling on that page. So it is better to use this product so that it will cover whatever you are selling. Product is product. Anything you are selling is product. But if I say just purchase this shoe, and it is now displaying on where you are selling bag that Oyedele from Lagos just purchased this shoe on where you are selling bag, it doesn't make sense. So rather, instead of using shoe, you are going to use this product, so that it is going to cover everything you are selling on that website. And here you are going to upload an image. It could be an image of whatever you want to use. Let's say I want to use add to cart. I can search for add to cart here on Google, and I'll hit image. I can pick this, then I'll download it, save image as, and it is uploaded. So make sure it is checked and you hit insert post. Here it is. Then under this secondary text, this is where you can indicate the time. Let's say I indicate like 20 minutes ago. Okay, let's save it and see what is going to be. Let's save it. Now it is saved, and as it is saved, now let's go to our home page and see whether it is going to display. Let's keep watching. Okay, you can see Oyedele from Lagos just purchased this product 20 minutes ago. This is amazing. With this, the people are seeing this, they will be moved that yes, this product is actually selling, and they will be moved to buy it. It will increase your conversion. Let's see another alternative that we can use. Let's say if I don't want to use this template, let's say I'm selling products on this website. I'm also collecting lead. That is, I'm collecting email list. In that case, I will want to say Oyedele purchase this product is good. So in this place of link text, I'm going to write, instead of writing purchase on this primary, on this template, I'm going to write it here. Purchased, or let me add just purchased this product, and the time is still there, 20 minutes ago. Okay, then let me add another FOMO and see. So here I can add Amarachi from Enugu. Then in the link text, I'm going to write another thing entirely. Just signed up to our email list. You can write anything, any name. Let's say 3 hours ago, and you upload the image you want to use. It could be another image, but let me use this image for the purpose of this tutorial. Sorry, this time is supposed to be in the secondary text. Okay, so let me save this. Now that I've saved it, let me refresh this page and see how the two of them are going to display. They are going to display differently because I didn't use the template. But if you use the template, you can see Oyedele from Lagos just purchased this product 20 minutes ago. Okay, let's watch for the second one. You can see the second that one has just come. Let's still watch whether the second one will come up. The same one is still coming up. What is happening? Did it not save very well? Let's still wait. Okay, you can see Amarachi from Enugu just signed up to our email list 3 hours ago. So this is how you use it if you don't want to use a template. If you use a template, the template will display the same product in all your pages. But if you don't use the template, you can customize it to whatever you want to be displayed. And you can have up to 11 FOMO. You can have up to 11 FOMO. You can continue to add new and editing it. So this is how you create this FOMO that can increase your conversion rate. I hope this video helps you, and if it does, I'd like you to give me a video review, and because that will go a long way to help this cause to reach more people, and it will also help me to bring more knowledge, more information along your way. And I will appreciate if you can do that review and send to me. You can send to me on WhatsApp, you can send to me by email. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing your video review. See you in the next video. Bye.